Hi everyone, I'm Femar Alera Videja, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management and now Hospitality Management at the University of Antique, Sibalom, Antique. After graduating with a bachelor's degree, I decided to work in the hotel in Iloilo City for almost 1 year. After that, in the year 2013, I decided to join Starlight Ferries Incorporated as steward on Roro vessels. In the year 2015, I began my international career as a seafarer at Leonis Navigation Company Incorporated and continued until the year 2019. Then the pandemic began in March 2020 and since then, I have not returned to work on board a vessel. Therefore, Shopee Mars Tambayan was established in 2021 to generate income. Shopee Mars Tambayan is continuing to serve people of Sibalom and nearby municipalities thanks to God, family, friends, and loyal customers for the support over the years. And now, Shopee Mars Tambayan offers party backdrop, balloons, decorations, and food trays. Come and visit us at Barangay Ulaga, Sibalom, Antique. Thank you and mabuhay University of Antique. Sibalom, Antique.